𝗏𝗏𝗧 from Audio Direct, and we got a rather big job in. This, of course, is a Hummer H2, and you can see what's going on here. The vehicle is completely stripped out. Now getting soundproofing done. It's been completely resprayed and is going to receive something rather special in that place, but I'm not even going to tell you yet. You're going to have to wait and see. In the interim period though, we're checking all the speakers because they're all going to be upgraded, and we are also putting the 360 camera system, which involves removing the wing mirrors, putting the one of 4-piece cameras in the mirrors, plus the front and the rear. As well as that, Android headrest monitors, and of course that something special here, just here with the dashes. Stay tuned, 𝗏𝗏𝗧 from Audio Direct.